little doll. Open big so everybody can see all of Daisy. You sure are a good doll. Open big. Oh, is that your mommy and daddy watching you? Open real big. Well, cavities are in the back, duh. But you gotta have your teeth open big. Most cavities are flossing cavities. When you get your toofies, you should be sure to floss those molars in the back teeth. All right, you can suck on your straw as long as you want. Yes, Mr. Model. Suck on your straw for as long as you want. That's what I told your brother. Now the bottom. You certainly are a good helper, my gosh. Open wide so they can see. Whoa. Open real big. What a sweet little thing. My goodness. Gina, did you see the crown? I put it.
Yeah. She is born into them.
Okay. Suck on your straw as long as you want. No flossing. Hello. Suck on your straw really, really good. Gina's going to put some